beautiful people, what's up, what's cooking? I'm having this farmer's favorite which is actually also my favorite. It was like this, so I scrub it off with the scorer, yeah, and so I'm going to put it into baking soda water and let it soak for an hour, because this can make you sick. This can make you sick. Do you know that charred food can actually cause cancer? This is after 2 hours. You can see the water that it's now more clear. So I have to scrub it off again with the scorer and then cook it off for 2 hours or so. All cleaned and ready to cook. Wash it off nicely, scrape off everything nicely.